Did you know your iPhone 17 lets you add trusted people who can help you regain access to your Apple account if you ever get locked out? This feature is called Recovery Contacts, and it acts as a backup way to recover your account if you forget your password or can't sign in. You can add up to 5 trusted contacts who can help you recover your account when needed. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple account settings. Next, tap Sign In and Security. Under the Recovery Methods section, tap Recovery Contacts. Read the setup overview, then follow the prompts to continue. If you already have a recovery contact listed, tap the contact and then tap Continue. Authenticate using Face ID or your passcode, then tap Send to confirm. If you want to choose a different contact, tap Choose Someone Else. Select the person you want from your contacts list, then tap Add. Review the invitation overview, then tap Send to send the request. Once the person accepts the invitation, they will be able to help you recover access to your Apple account if you ever lose access to it. To add more recovery contacts, return to the same menu and tap Add Recovery Contact. Tap Choose Someone Else, select another trusted person, then tap Add, and follow the on-screen instructions. Keep in mind that the contact you choose must be using iMessage to be eligible as a recovery contact. And that's it! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Also, check out our other videos to learn more useful features of your iPhone 17 smartphone. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.